Have you ever set your mind on doing something, and even at the time that you decided you're going to do it, that you didn't know if you could or didn't have any idea how you're going to do it? Hi there, I'm Peggy McColl. Welcome back to the Morning Manifestation. Have you ever set your mind on doing something, and even at the time that you decided you're going to do it, that you didn't know if you could or didn't have any idea how you're going to do it, but you made a decision, you went for it anyway, and you accomplished what you set out to accomplish? Well, what happens is it starts with the decision. All achievement starts with someone saying, I'm going to do this. But the thing that stops a lot of people is the fact that they don't know how they're going to get the thing done or how they're going to accomplish it. Well, you don't have to know how, but you must decide. I started something recently called the Author Marathon, and you can find out more about that by going to the Author Marathon. And I remember when I first decided to write a book, I didn't have a clue how to write a book. And I certainly considered myself, or never considered myself, a great writer. I knew I wasn't a great writer, but I had the desire, and then I made the decision. And I got on with the work, and I accomplished it. And now I'm very blessed to work with thousands of people all around the world with taking their decision and helping them complete it into physical form. So I want you to think today about things that you've been thinking about doing or thinking about accomplishing or thinking about having in your life, and make a decision. Make a decision that you're going to go for it, even if you don't know how. And very likely you won't know how, but that's okay. And I want you to know it's okay. So make some really good decisions today that your future self is going to say, thank you. I know for me, writing my first book, and of course now I have 18 books out there in the world, that was absolutely the single best business decision I've ever made in my life. Zero regrets on that. And it has only brought good to the world and good back to me. And that's what it'll do for you too. That's my message for today. Of course, have fun with your decisions, and I'll see you in the next Morning Manifestation message.